Good evening, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the title suggests, today I'll be talking in detail about US visa. This is gonna be quite an informative video because I have done a lot of research as I myself have applied for one, and I thought why not make a video about it so that if you guys are planning to apply for a US tourist visa, it saves a lot of your time and a little bit of your money. Because if you get it done from a third party or an agent, they were charging me around 8 to 9,000 Indian rupees, which is $90 to $100, just to fill couple of forms, which is not difficult at all. So in this video, I'll tell you step by step in detail as to which forms to fill, how to make the payment, how to book an appointment for US visa, and much more. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the main video. Before that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case y'all haven't done it yet. Alright, let's get started. So the first step to apply for US tourist visa is to fill the DS-160 form. Now I'll just put the link in the description so that it's very easy for you all to navigate to that website. Once you click on this link, you'll be taken to that website. You just have to select the country and the city that you're applying from the drop down list, fill the captcha text, and then you will be taken to the main page. Let me just show you how the website looks like and how to fill that form so that it's easier for you. So you just click on Chrome here, Google, type DS-160, it's already here, and then the first link that you get, this is the one. It'll open here. You have to click, you have to type India. So there are 4 cities in India from where you can apply for US visa. So I'll click on India, Mumbai. So it'll refresh. Then I have to enter the alphabets here, U, H, K, P, Y, P, and click on start an application. In case you're starting a new application, in case you've already filled an application and saved it, so you can retrieve an application by entering the application ID here. So once you click on start application, this is the page that you will get. To click on I agree, refresh down. You have to just enter one security question in case for your future reference. I'll put my mother's name here and click on continue. Once you click on continue, this is the page that you will get, and this is the form. This is your application ID for your future reference for DS-160 form. You can just take a picture of this when you are making the payment, that I'll tell you later. This is the ID that you have to enter. So these are all the details that you need to fill, starting with your surname. It's already filled here. Okay, have you ever had other names? No. Telecode? No. Okay, native language doesn't apply in our case, we don't have that technology here. Okay, sex would be female, marital status single, date of birth 26 December 1994, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. And then you have to save every time you fill that page, because after every 20 minutes the whole website gets refreshed and then you might have to fill the form again. So you just click on save and then you continue the application. So this is already filled. You click on next. Now there's a second page. Your nationality is India. Have you ever? No. National? No. Permanent resident? No. So when we talk about the national identification number for Indians, it will be the Aadhaar card number. You have to fill your Aadhaar card number here, and this doesn't apply, so you have to click on does not apply, and then again save it before you click onto the next page. Then travel purpose is tourism, so it's the B visa that we are applying for, and in that we'll click on B2. Have you made specific plans? No. Intended date would be any date where you intend to travel, tentative date. I'll write 2025. Length would be in weeks, 2 weeks. No, I'm traveling solo. US travel. Have you ever been to US? No. Issued? No. Refuse? No. Have you ever filed immigration? No. Address and phone. Then this is your home address that you have to enter. Okay, and same the email address. All of this again you have to save and click on next. That's how you'll be filling the DS-160 form. It's very easy, very basic details about you, your family, your education, your intended date of travel, just the hotel bookings that you have to fill in. You can book a hotel through booking.com and paste the same address and the hotel name in your DS-160 form. Make sure you're filling the details accurately because that is the form that you'll be carrying along with you to the US Embassy in Mumbai or whichever city from India. And in the end, once you've finished, completed and reviewed your form, let me show you what you'll be receiving over the mail. Once you finished filling the DS-160 form, this is the confirmation page that you will receive, and you just have to click on email confirmation. Once you fill DS-160 form, step 2 is to make payment for your US visa. Now the US visa fees for Indians is 16,095 INR as on 12th March 2025. I'll just put the link in the description so that it is easier for you all to navigate to that website. The name of the website is www.ustraveldocs.com. Once you click on this web link, you will be taken to that website. Now, of course, if you are a first time user, you'll have to create an account. Once you create an account, you'll have to fill the basic details prior to making the payment for your US visa. I refer to this as the visa application form, wherein you'll have to fill your passport details, your personal details, the details of your dependents, and the DS-160 form application ID, and how you'll be collecting your passport and where you'll be going for the interview and all of that just prior to making the payment. Let me just take you to that website and show you how it looks like and how to fill the form. So on Google, you just have to paste this link, which is www.ustraveldocs.com. Click on enter. The first link that you get, you have to click on that and select your country, your location basically. Mine is India, so I'll go to India. Then I need a non-immigrant visa. So important notice, these are the changes that have been made. I'll talk about it later in the video. You can just go through it, close, and then click on visa login. So if you already have an account, you can just enter your username, password and sign in. And if you don't have any account, you're a first time user, you have to click on sign up, enter your username that you will be logging in through, your password, email address, given name, surname as per passport, the 3 security questions which you will have to answer every time that you log in, and then click on create. So once you log in, this is the page that will appear in front of you. You have to go down, click on I have read and understood, and then continue. Notes and instruction. This is the page that will appear in front of you. Then you have to enter your preferred language, English, country, India, your ID, your contact email, and then click on submit. Only then you'll be able to proceed ahead. Cannot be empty. Okay, so control V, submit. Now this is the page that will appear in front of you. Here you have to click on start application, and then you have to fill all your details here: your country of birth, your phone number, your email ID, your mailing address, your passport details. Then you click on submit. Next is the visa option. Visa type would be non-immigrant. Embassy, consulate will be the place that you'll be applying from. Post visa category would be B2 visa. Then we click on next. Here it's DS-160 confirmation number. That's the application ID of form DS-160. Please ensure you enter it accurately. Then we click on next. Then you will fill in the dependents detail in case you have any. If not, you'll click on next. Then we'll fill in the pickup and drop off location. Then comes the payment type. First is Citibank cash, other one is VFS credit/debit card, VFS UPI, VFS EFT, and then the bank cash. So you select the appropriate option. If you want to pay by Visa or MasterCard, debit or credit card, then you click on the VFS credit/debit card. You select the payment type, then you click on next, and yeah, this you'll be directed to VFS global website. That's the payment gateway. You click on proceed to pay, make the payment. Once you make the payment, you'll be directed to the screen. Here you can book your appointment. Only date that is left is 17 April and 21 April, 13 May. So guys, once you've made the payment and booked an appointment, basically you are making two appointments. One is the OFC appointment and the second one is the consular appointment. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So the OFC appointment is where you go to the embassy and give your biometric details, and the second one is the interview with the officer. So you don't have to worry as to where do I go and book the other one. It happens subsequently on that website itself. So after you make the payment, you will be directed to a page wherein you have to select a date from the drop down list from the available slots. For OFC appointment it will show, and the second page, once you have booked an OFC appointment, the second page is of the VAC appointment. So like the same thing, counselor appointment. And once you book that, it will be done. You'll get a confirmation on your registered email address, wherein you'll see your DS form, application ID, your payment receipt number, and all of it. One thing I want to tell you is, as per the latest update by the embassy, you can reschedule your appointment just once. Earlier it was 3 times, but effective 1st Jan 2025 you can do it just once, guys. So yeah, what I would suggest, what I did is, after making the payment, the first date that I got was of April 2026, and I just booked the appointment. Don't wait to get an earlier date, because that slot can also go away. That's what happened with me for the first few minutes, and I was scared. I'm like, I'm not getting any slots. It later it shows no slots available. So then again, all night I was just scared, like which if I'll get a chance to book an appointment or no, because once you pay the US visa fees, you have just a time span of 12 months or 1 year to book your appointment. If you don't do it within 1 year, that fees is gone. You'll have to repay the visa fees. So just take the slots that you are getting, and later on you can keep checking at regular intervals. You can go onto the website at regular intervals and just check if there's an early slot available or no, because you have one time to reschedule your appointment. Or there are people who get it, who go through the agent, like if they want an earlier slot, they charge you around 30 or 35,000. Yeah, that's what he said. In Bombay it's around 30,000 to get a slot, earlier slot, which is 1 or 2 months from now. Or you yourself can check on the website, and if you are lucky, you'll get an earlier date. Don't worry about it, guys. I hope this video helped you and solved your doubts, and in case you've got any other doubts, just comment down and I'll be happy to help you. Guys, I'm so sorry about the noise. There's a lot of renovation going on. In fact, the whole Mumbai is redeveloping. So yeah, there's noise everywhere. Let me just end the video here itself, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog. Guys, stay tuned. I'm traveling soon to a very new country, and I'm telling you, you will love it. You will love this travel series. Also, I've applied for a couple of more visas. Let me know if you want to know how to apply for Schengen visa or Russian visa. By the way, Indians can now apply for e-visa for Russia. Let me know if you want to know that. Till then, goodbye. I shall see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please support. Bye bye.